Welcome to another episode of Aussie Bucking. It's Tyson's birthday coming up in a couple of days' time. How old are you going to be, Tyson?
16.
16, yeah. So pretty lucky. He saves all his money. He only wants to buy cars and he's got a motorbike and a push bike, but he loves chainsaws, everyone knows. So he's found a chainsaw on Marketplace, a Husqvarna. What size was it, Tyson? What number?
394 XP.
An XP, yeah. So we had to go for a drive this morning. Twisted my arm to go for a drive. Not that I really mind, to a beautiful place close by. And took his new Falcon. He's got a what we call a silver bullet. There's a few silver bullets getting around, but Tyson also owns a silver bullet, which is a Ford Falcon Australian-made car. So he brought one of them too just recently. He saves his money a lot, and I have to say, he's got very generous grandparents overseas. So that's all I'm going to say there. But he is fairly spoilt, this kid, but he does save all his money. So we go and check this Marketplace Husqvarna out to this morning, yep. And it was a bit grubby. It ran, but it wasn't running that great. We've got Rusty with us today. He keeps wanting to get in with Tyson. So it wasn't running that great. So, and he wasn't keen on probably showing us too much about it. So, but he was kind enough to show us his other chainsaws collection. He had quite a few, this old guy. And so we got talking to him, and he has a chainsaw that Tyson has seen operate and does like the model chainsaw, but he had to buy a new box to protect it today, which is in a Husqvarna box, brand new one, right, which you've got for his birthday. So Tyson, what did you end up getting? What sort of chainsaw is actually in there?
Big good reel.
It's a bloody Stihl, can you believe it? He brought a Stihl. What number Stihl, Tyson, is that?
462C.
Yep, so it's the one that's got computerised and it can tune itself. Will has one, our friend Will, who you've seen on previous episodes, bucking with it and cutting down big trees. So it didn't have a bar, it didn't have a chain on at all when he first got it. So we're lucky enough the Stihl shops were still open, and the guy there was very, very nice to us, and yeah, good service. And we put a new chain on it this morning, so we're going to run it for the first time today. Tyson, how much of those chainsaws brand new?
Just over $2,000.
Just over $2,000, yep. So Tyson was lucky enough to get the half price today. It's done absolutely very, very little work, and it's like brand new, so he's stoked. So Tyson, what do we want to do now?
Cut down a tree.
That's right, we're going to cut down a dead tree that's here, so give it a run today. That's what we're just about to do, so stay tuned. So Tyson, I've just noticed something, your chaps. What happened to your chaps?
I was using the neighbour's chainsaw, and it idles a bit high, and the chain doesn't stop spinning for a little while.
Well, so the clutch is not working properly, or just
idling high?
Just idling high, yeah.
And put it down like that, and it went through.
How'd you put it down?
Just like that.
Yeah, right, and it's still running.
Yeah.
So the chaps have saved you. This is why you got to wear all your safety gear. I know I don't, but maybe I'm just a bit more cautious than these young guys. But yeah, his chaps have saved his leg already, so it's a good thing to have. Right, Tyson, let's go. So here's the tree that Tyson's going to try his Stihl out on. It's an old ironbark that has died. Fairly big tree. Well, for us it is anyway. So we reckon it wants to fall to my left of me now. Just the way it's sort of growing and throwing all its weight to the left. So we're going to have a go. We brought the wedgie just in case, because we are good at getting it wrong. So let's go, Tyson. Yeah, so Tyson, you want to know what have I done wrong, but he's cut it on too much of an angle there. It should be flatter. But we're going to attempt to get it down anyway. He's going to do a cut over the top now. Right, Tyson, let's go. Over top now, over top. Join him up. There. Keep going more. Have a look yourself. He's a bit worried about it. It's experience. Bit more, have a look when the saw's in there. Have a look. Have a look while the saw's in there. Right, bash him out now if you can. But Tyson, when you're pulling your saw at every time, just leave the saw in there and have a look, then just keep working on it.
Yeah. I just don't want it to close.
It won't close. It's got too much timber at the back. If it does, just keep an eye on it and get a feel. If you can knock it out now. Yeah, it's loose. We're getting right. You can see which way it's cutting now. That's which way it's falling. There he goes. It took a bit, but we got there. Just learning. He's a bit unsure, so it's not real that easy. It's experience that is everything. But yeah, we've got some work to do now to cut this up. So that's the saw, Tyson. What are you thinking?
Well, it was a pretty crap run of it. But...
Anyway, Husky might have been better, eh?
No.
You sure?
I just have to get used to it.
I think my 55 would have done better. Don't think so?
No.
It's powerful. It's nice, but it's a Stihl. I don't know what to say, but it's his. Compression. Can you see him? Just made it. Chainsaw's running out of fuel. So Tyson, what do you think of your new toy?
It's a weapon.
Why is that? Why is it a weapon?
It's really powerful.
Yeah, it is powerful. Yeah, I had a go at it too, and it's very, very powerful. It's the most powerful chainsaw I've operated. So yeah, and there's a big bar, makes a big difference, Tyson. What do you find with a big bar?
You don't have to bend down. You can just go straight into it,
Mm-hmm.
rather than going like that and try to dig it in all the time.
Yeah, it's got a brand new bar on it and a brand new chain, so it is cutting very nice and cutting at its maximum for what that is. So yeah, so you're happy now that you've got your big Stihl or your big horsepower or big CC chainsaw?
Very happy.
Very happy, yeah. He is happy too. So he should be. So let's just get cleaned up, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.